This Good to Go segment is sponsored by Corewell Health.
Just last year, Corewell Health launched a new patient navigator service that's been dedicated to the LGBTQIA plus community and has helped hundreds of individuals access equitable care and choose the healthcare provider that suits their needs. With only 10 or so health systems across the country offering this type of service, it's hitting several significant milestones and quickly becoming a successful model for other health systems to replicate for their patients. Here to tell us more are Zoe O'Brien, Corewell Health's LGBTQIA plus patient navigator, and Melissa Bexford, Director of Primary Care Operations. And welcome to both of you.
Thank you for
Thank you for having us.
Zoe, tell us more about what you do for patients as this navigator.
So my job is to make sure that everyone feels safe when seeking care and to improve the health and well-being of the community at large. I connect patients and families with more than 330 safe and affirming providers within the Corewell Health system and the community. I also help provide patients with information about resources such as social groups, education, and advocacy to get them the care that they need.
It's wonderful. And Melissa, I mentioned that this has become a model for other healthcare systems. How so?
Yeah, so we actually got the initial idea from Rush University. They have an LGBTQIA plus patient navigator as well. And then we kind of created our own unique elements to support this role here within Corewell Health. The first thing we did was created role-specific safe and affirming training for our providers, leaders, clinical and non-clinical team members. And this education really trains on health disparities, safe and affirming language, SOGI data collection, and how we can promote health equity. Second, we created a safe and affirming practice designation where all our providers and team members at a medical practice complete this training to receive the designation. And then we also give our providers an option to list themselves as safe and affirming on their Find a Doc profile after they complete the training. That way, our patients can easily see who's safe and affirming. And these are all things that can be easily replicated. Good health needs to be inclusive of everyone.
It surely does. Zoe, what are some of the milestones that you've been able to achieve within this position?
So this year, our comprehensive breast clinic has done the 300th TAP surgery. I've assisted over 400 patients with helping find safe and affirming care. We have had over 3,000 providers, leaders, and team members complete this training. We have 332 safe and affirming providers who have designated themselves as such on our Find a Doc. And we have 28 safe and affirming practices, which is everybody in the entire facility taking that training. For 2023, we plan to increase the number of providers prescribing PrEP and gender affirming hormones.
All reason to brag a little bit as you approach this 1 year. Amazing, really, all that has been accomplished. And congratulations for serving as a model to others. And folks, for more information, visit spectrumhealth.org/LGBTQIA to get started. You can also contact Zoe directly at the phone number on the screen. It's 833-968-0263. Thank you, both of you. Good to have you here.
Thank you
for having
us.